Social Security System.
Online funeral claim application.
Hello guys, welcome back to V-Class TV. This is Teacher Jackie once again. So today we are going to log in to the SSS portal. In your browser, you can type in www.sss.gov.ph and click the member area. Input your username and your password so that you can access the portal. The survey invite will usually pop up. Notification will also pop up. You can click maybe next time and just proceed to the facilities that you really want to process. Today we are going to click the benefits tab and apply for funeral benefit. This will lead to the reminders page where requirements are enumerated. So for a funeral claim, there are basically 3 requirements that we should accomplish. First is the proof of membership of the deceased. Second is the certified true copy of the death certificate. And third is the official receipt of the burial package or plan. Before you proceed, you should have the picture or scanned copy of these requirements with the file size not more than 3 MB. Now let's click proceed. Now let us enter the SSS number of the deceased along with his or her family and given name, birth date, and date of death. We proceed with more details about the deceased. We have to click the select civil status of the deceased, our relationship with the deceased, and the bank account where we intend the payout to happen. For the status, I chose married, relationship, daughter. For payout, I chose M. Louis. By then, we are ready for the last part. We are now going to attach the supporting documents. We click the Choose File button and choose the file that we are going to upload. It's much easier if we have renamed our files for better searching and uploading. It is safer if your file name is made up of all letters and your file size is not more than 3 MB. How to make sure that your file is not more than 3 MB? Number 1 is you can do cropping for all the edges so that the file size would be a little smaller. For this, I use text scanner to capture the image and crop it just like photos. Click the 3 dots down there, it's actually your menu, so you can check the details of your photo. But if cropping is not going to work, especially for death certificates, which is naturally a big file, then send it to your messenger, download it back, and then you can have a smaller size of the same file. Recheck the file size if it is not more than 3 MB and then you're good to go. How do you rename your file? As you open your photo gallery, just click the menu button and click rename. Type in the name of the document that you want to save. Click save and it's good to go. So now you have finished filling out all the necessary fields in the form and you also have uploaded the supporting documents that you need. You just have to click proceed. This prompt will come out and you have to click OK. This notification will come out. It means that you have finished your transaction and you will also receive email notification. If all the documents that you have submitted are clear and valid, then you will be approved in no time. It only took me 3 hours to be approved and it took another 2 days for me to receive the text message saying that the benefit is ready for pickup. That is another mission accomplished for all of us, guys. This has been Teacher Jackie once again, and I hope that I have helped you today. Goodbye and God bless.